Hi guys, and today we're going to do some in-flight refueling with the new Turtle Pack from Queensland. So it's a fuel bladder. This is a 40 litre one. We've rigged up all the plumbing so it goes into the main tank. That's the pump, and we got the pump switch that goes to a 12 volt cigarette lighter outlet. So yeah, give this a go and top up the fuel in flight. So here we go.
Turning on the tap now so the fuel can flow. So just turned on the switch, the fuel pump switch, and now the fuel is transferring to the main tank. See the Turtle Pack slightly getting smaller as the fuel is getting sucked out of it. You can see the last bit of fuel being sucked out of the tank, so that is completely collapsed now. The fuel bladder, the Turtle Pack.
Very successful first flight with the Turtle Pack, and it's fully collapsed, so all the fuel's gone into the main tank during the flight, and excellent. I'm so happy with it. It's going to be great for the longer journeys, that's for sure. Great product, highly recommend it. Turtle Pack, guys, amazing. See you later.